Is your project management process a total mess? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down exactly what Basecamp software is in under 90 seconds. At its core, Basecamp is a web-based project management and team communication platform. You can access it by visiting Basecamp.com in your browser. Think of it as a central hub for all things related to your projects. Basecamp allows you to bring together to-do lists, schedules, documents, and team discussions all in one place. Projects are the foundation of Basecamp. Each project has its own dedicated space, ensuring everything stays organized. You can have different projects for different teams, clients, or initiatives. Within each project, you'll find features like to-do lists that allow you to break down complex tasks into smaller, manageable steps, assign tasks to team members, and set deadlines to keep everyone on track. The message board lets teams communicate and collaborate on ideas, share updates, and gather feedback. No more endless email chains. Need to schedule meetings or set milestones? The schedule feature helps you keep track of important dates and deadlines. Set reminders so your team doesn't miss them. Basecamp also offers document and file storage so important files can be stored and accessed by the whole team. Need a quick way to chat? Campfire is Basecamp's chat feature for all real-time communication that isn't necessarily project-specific. Basecamp helps businesses of all sizes streamline project workflows, improve team communication, and boost overall efficiency. It's designed to eliminate confusion and keep everyone on the same page. So, ditch the chaos and bring order to your projects with Basecamp. Check the description for a link to start your free trial today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more project management tips.